Hello and welcome to Unit 5, Number 5. We will start with the proportion lesson. First of all, what is a proportion? A proportion is two ratios that have been set equal to each other. So, it is two things that are equal to each other but do not look the same. For example, 1 over 2 is equal to 5 over 10. And that is what we call a proportion, since 1 over 2 represents half and 5 over 10 represents half. Another example might be 1 times 10 is equal to 2 times 5, since both are 10. So, it is basically leading to the final amount, to the final ratio. For proportion, in order for two ratios to be equivalent or equal, they must not only have the same value, they also must have the same units. So, it does not only depend on the value, there should also be the same units. And I'm going to give you an example here just to make things more clear. If we said 1 book in 2 days, it's the same as 5 books in 10 days, since the ratios are there and the units are the same. In the numerator we have books and in the denominator we have days. And this is how you get things correct. Since if the units were different, then this would not be a proportion anymore since it's not logical. For example, right here, 1 book in 2 days, 5 chocolate 10 days. This is not a proportion. And why is that? Since book and chocolate are not the same unit, even though we have days in the denominator. So these are not equal and these are not proportional.